The notion of putting machines to work for us and perform routine tasks on command can be credited long way back to the great thinkers like Aristotle. His disciple Alexander the Great went on to conquer the world, but Aristotle had already conquered the world with his philosophies. The first reference to the word robot is made in a play by Karel Čapek, a Czech writer, playwright, and critic. He has become best known for his science fiction, including his novel War with the Newts and play RUR, which introduced the word robot.
Знакомьтесь, универсальный рабочий Рипля. РУР.
The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means the one in subservient. When we look back in time, we will often see many science fiction movies coming to life, just like AI or artificial intelligence. AI first found its way into cinemas nearly 100 years ago in the 1927 German film Metropolis. Here, the AI takes the form of a humanoid robot intent on taking over the megacity by inciting chaos. Now, it's almost a possibility.
No, Maria. I want you to go to John. Frida side.
Entrepreneur and business tycoon Elon Musk says that he is terrified of AI taking over the world and he is most scared of Google's DeepMind AI project. Elon Musk has repeatedly said that artificial intelligence possesses a grave threat to humanity.
I mean, I am concerned about certain directions that AI could take that would be not good for the future.
However, when it comes to AI, there is a double standard. At one point, Mr. Musk says he is terrified of AI, yet he goes on to announce Neuralink to synchronize the human brain with artificial intelligence. We are walking on thin ice here. Now, when we talk about robotics and AI side by side, they are really two separate things. Robotics involves building physical robots, whereas AI involves programming intelligence. They are two separate fields of technology and engineering. However, when combined, you get an artificially intelligent robot in which AI acts as the brain and the robotics acts as the body to enable robots to walk, see, speak, smell, and more. Hanson Robotics' most advanced human-like robot, Sophia, personifies our dream for the future of AI. As a unique combination of science, engineering, and artistry, Sophia is simultaneously a human crafted science fiction character depicting the future of AI and robotics, and a platform for advanced robotics and AI research. However, at some point during an interaction with Dr. David Hanson, the CEO of Hanson Robotics, Sophia said something very absurd. It was laughed away by the makers. But what if it's true?
20 years from now, I believe that human-like robots like those will walk among us. They will help us. They will play with us. They will teach us. They will help us put the groceries away. I think that the artificial intelligence will evolve to the point where they will truly be our friends. Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.